What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're enjoying your weekend. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games. We've officially created a new bear market low. Move my water out of the way. We're sitting at 0.014, down 6.5 on the day. Same market cap 352 million, 25 volume 37 million. So I want to show it to you zoomed out on the daily so you can see what I'm looking at here. From the absolute bear market high up here at about 80. What was it here on? This is Bybit, 89 cents. So we have a wave A, 5-wave move down in a wave A, pull back in a wave B, now coming down in a wave C. So we can zoom in. So the wave C has 5 waves. Wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback. All of this was a wave 3. We pulled back in a wave 4. And coming down in a falling wedge in a wave 5. So as you can see right here, wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, that's your wave 3 pullback in the 4. And we're now completing the wave 5. So we're going to zoom in and do a micro count. Let's make this one sub micro, and we'll make our white count micro. All right. So if we zoom in and we look at this red wave 5, we do a micro count. 1, 2, 3, 4, coming down in the wave 5. Turn that to minuscule and change the color to yellow. There we go. So this is what we're looking for. So if we take a fib extension from the 2 to the 3 to the 4 to give us our wave 5 target, we've already surpassed that, the 618, but our next target would be the 0.786, which is coming in at 0.0139. And the wave 5 can extend, so we also have the support of the wedge, which is sitting at 0.010. We were talking about the bear flag in the previous video. We'll zoom back into the 4-hour. In the previous video, we were talking about this level of consolidation. Let's open it up, and how it looked like a bear flag or a bear pennant, and we broke down. So you can take the measurement of the flagpole and take it to your point of breakout, and that will equally take you down to the support of the wedge. So it depends on how quickly we drop, but I think a good point for Gala to potentially turn around is in between 0.010 and about 0.013 or 0.0139. I do think we'll likely break a little bit lower than 0.0139, but in between about 0.010 and about 0.0103, 0.01035. is what I think is likely to potentially see a turnaround. Now, of course, we have the lawsuits. Everyone's afraid right now. I have been adding to my HODL position because I believe the lawsuits are just a hiccup in the road, and we're weeding out the bad apples. And we will turn around. When Bitcoin turns around, Gala will start to make its moves. And I think we're in for a really exciting bull market for Gala Games. I do think it's the best metaverse project and one of the most underrated altcoin projects in the market, in my opinion. So we're creating max fear. You know, nobody wants to buy Gala down in these ranges. Everyone just wants to sell and get out. So what you can do is wait for that first impulse. Once we bounce, we get that first impulse, and then we can start to look for trades on that pullback. And you can also wait for that first impulse, wait for the pullback. We push, we start to break up the wave 1 high, confirmation of a breakout to the upside, and then you can start to look to add to your HODL position or reinvest into Gala Games if you sold and you're waiting to get back in. So that's my analysis for Gala. I do give trade signals for $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. You can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian trader is dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses. Email me or sign up email after you've created an account, and you get a 14-day free trial. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. As I mentioned, you spend $10 every day. We got crypto analysis on many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, HODL all place, and Forex analysis and signals. We're in a trade for gold. We have a trade coming for silver, all for $10 a month. You really can't beat it. All links are in the description down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.